I'm gonna say this shit one time, right? We have split ways with Karrah as far as this concrete shit. I don't have nothing. I have nothing to say, nothing bad to say, nothing negative to say about Karrah. I wish her the best in her career. Yeah. That's that. You know? Yeah. That's pretty much it. I don't have anything really bad to say or anything good to say.